Welcome back. I have some information to share that will change your life. Let's jump right in. Our famous Oprah Winfrey's hair got burnt by her hairstylist when she was starting off as a newscaster celebrity. I felt the hairdresser was jealous of her success. She was afraid to say something, but that did not stop her from changing the views of people. In the same way, she was fearful but brave. Your fears do not have to define your outcomes. There are jealous people in the world. I know that for a fact. I lived in a group home, and the ladies there were jealous of me and sought vengeance for no reason. Vengeance is never the solution. I learned that from experience that men, but also women, can show jealousy and disrespect to people for no logical reason. Jealousy and disrespect are never justifiable. They were on a law of attraction frequency that was not favorable for them. I later on understood that their bad actions towards me came with a cost for them based on the law of attraction. So if you wish to harm another, then you have to live with the consequences. And so if you wish to harm another, you have to live with the consequences. Our mothers and fathers point this out to us clearly at a young age. Most parents, majority of parents, bring this up, and it's not good to harm others. Let's explore fear. It depletes the law of attraction. Fear repels blessings. A question now, not before my awakening, why people watch horror movies. So now I wonder, before I didn't really question it. I just watched the horror movie and thought it was normal. I was one of them. I was fitting into society. I'm not telling you how you should live your life, but only pointing out the fact that you are being impacted negatively by the news or the movies that you watch, and it is not positive. So be careful what you watch. I know what you are saying to yourself. I don't get scared easily. That doesn't matter. You watch things that hurt your vibrations nonetheless. By seeking negative and evil sources for entertainment, you become fearful of getting yourself intertwined in similar outcomes as the news or movies discloses. So you watch something and people get paranoid sometimes. Not when you're awakened by your higher self or saints such as myself. You you are strong, and I know you can do this. And thank you for joining me. Have a nice day.